it, my friends. Plenty of doom for everyone.
Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
For the best view of the 17 candles above, please drag your bodies away from the walls and into the dead center of the room.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour. And let's all stay together, please. There are several prominent ghosts who have retired here from creepy old crypts all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers?
Not pull down on the safety bar, please. I will lower it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
We find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chills. Listen.
And ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourines. Crazies and crawlies, toads and onions. Let there be music
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake, and they'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
unavoidably detained by cranky spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom, please. We will continue our tour momentarily. Faithful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
The thing where spirits dwell, restless bones ethereal. When the curtain doors creak and the tombstones and questions come happy thoughts materialize, and begin to walk by night, bring her ghosts from the surface. The voice will rise in the black door, for a series makes it by your side.
And just in time, there's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and the ghost will follow you home.
Please exit by stepping away from the cars to your left. Step out and stand on a moving platform, please.
Be sure to